Have a nice day, all of you. I'm Rajpaksha RMNP. Today, we will be giving a short presentation of an alternative solution of a Metaspore GLEs. Our presentation is divided into 7 main sections. Firstly, what are the raw materials of the Metaspore GLEs? Secondly, what are the properties of the Metaspore GLEs? How it is made, the uses application Metaspore GLEs, problem is excited metals for GLEs, and what are the alternative available, and finally proposed alternative. I would like to move on to the introduction of our presentation. Metaspore gears are the most easily visualized common gears that transmits motion between two parallel shafts. Also, because of the ease of reproduction, these gears can be made to a high degree of precision. A gear is a rotating machine part having cut teeth, or in the case of a cogwheel, insert teeth which mesh with another tooth part of the transmit store. On the other hand, spur gears have a disadvantages in that they easily make noise. Now, I invite Tashini to continue our presentation.
I am Tashini. Now I am going to talk about raw materials used for Metaspore GLEs. They are cast iron, ductile iron and stainless steel. And also this slide shows elements and percentage of raw materials. When we talk about of these raw materials, first I talk about cast iron. Carbon, silicon, sulfur, magnesium, phosphorus are the elements in cast iron. Then I am going to talk about ductile iron. Iron, carbon, silicon, magnesium, phosphorus, copper are the elements in ductile iron. And iron, carbon, chromium are the elements in stainless steel. And also they all are non-renewable. These element percentage are given in the table. Next. This slide shows properties of Metaspore GLEs. Then I divided these properties into several parts. They are tensile strength, friction good surface, hardness and high residual compressive stress, malleability, high hardness and adequate subsurface strength and patine strength. High tensile strength to prevent failure against static loads. Good surface hardness and high residual compressive stress are desired to improve endurance or bending, patting and life. Malleability is the ability of gears to be deformed or molded into a different shape. Next slide shows properties of raw materials. High strength is common to all raw materials, but also fatting strength, high hardness and common most of them. Now I invite Janani to continue next. Thank you.
Thank you, Tashini. Hi, I'm Madhishika. In this presentation, in this slide, we are going to talk about the Metaspore GLE, how Metaspore GLEs are made. In here, we are going to talk about two methods. They are casting of Metaspore GLE and injection molding of Metaspore GLEs. When we take casting of Metaspore GLE, as shown in the flow diagram, in here we use sand structure to create as the shape of the Metaspore GLE. After several steps, we can make Metaspore GLE. The steps are given in the first flow chart. If we talk about injection molding of Metaspore GLE, here the main raw material is metal powder. This metal powder mix, press, sinter and injection when making Metaspore GLEs. The steps are given in the second flow chart. In the next slide, we shows the applications of Metaspore GLEs. Nowadays, we use Metaspore GLEs in different ways, like in metal cutting machines, power plants, automobile gearboxes, washing machines, marine engines, steel mills, fuel pumps, etc. In the next slide, I'm going to talk about the problems occurred in Metaspore GLEs. In here, we have categorized problems into 5 main parts. They are problems occurred when using Metaspore GLE, when manufacturing metals. Problems occurred when manufacturing Metaspore GLE, environmental problems, social problems, and economic problems. Now we'll look at the problems occurred in these parts. First of all, when we talk about these problems occurred when using metals with GRVs, we can see that these GRVs cannot be used for transferring energy over a long distance. If we consider about the problems occurred when manufacturing metals for GRVs, they are gear teeth experience a large amount of stress and they have limited central distance. Thirdly, I'm going to talk about the environmental problems. Environmental problems are they make too much noise when operating at high speed. High heat requirement and water pollution and air pollution may occur due to the lubricants used in the wheels. The next problem type is social problems. Social problems are man's social insufficiency problems arise when the special design constraints. Finally, I'm going to talk about the economic problems. Nowadays, lots of economic problems have occurred due to the metals for GRV. They are GRVs are low speed GRVs. They cannot transfer power between unparalleled axes, and also they are not as resilient from transferring energy over long distance. Now I'm going to invite Desha to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Ranatunga HP. Our original product is metal display wheels. There are so many issues in that product. So we found many alternatives for our original product. First, we replaced the materials like Linux Motion Track extension kit. So Linux Motion Track, there are some problems that can solve, such as easy to use, high power transmission efficiency, reduce noise and the heat, then make it work. Not only that, track extension kit, there are some problems that can solve, such as long lifetime and high power transmission efficiency. But we can't found a suitable solution for our problem. So we found another alternatives for this problem. We mainly focused about ceramic and metal injection gears. Next slide shows when choosing an alternative materials for gears, ceramic and metal injection materials have become popular choices. The simple reason why is that for small size applications that need to be highly wear resistant, ceramics and metal injection pieces can be manufactured in large batches and are easier to produce than tropical steel alloys. Next slide shows advantages of ceramic and metal injection. Ceramics is well isolated against electricity along with heat and have anti-friction properties, as well as it has a good heat resistance. By using metal injection molding can create massive steel parts with complex shapes. The molding process produces high surface quality parts. We can see the uses of ceramic and metal injection gears are better than using display gears. Now I invite Rashini to continue this presentation.
Hi, I'm Sonika PHR. A gear wheel is a rotating machine part having carved teeth or, in the case of a cogwheel, inserted teeth which mesh with another tooth part to transmit torque. Gear device can change the speed, torque, and direction of a power source to machine gears transmitting rotational motion. This is introduction for what is metals per gear wheel in brief. Our project is found in alternatives for metals per gear wheels. First, we have studied what is metals per gear wheels, its design, working, and its applications. There were so many issues in the product. Then, performing this project, we had learned the design alternatives for metals per gear wheels, analysis of a per gear terminology, solving related problems, calculating safety factor of it, and the safe arrangement of it. Finally, comparing all of suggested alternatives, we choose the ceramic and metal injection gears is the best alternative to replace the spur gear wheels. Next. When we talk about conclusion of the product, first we learn about the raw materials of this metal spur gear wheels such as cast iron, nickel iron, and stainless steel. Then we learn properties of metal spur gear wheels. Tensile strength, friction, good surface are some of examples. Then we studied how metal spur gear wheels made applications of the metal spur gear wheels and uses. What are the discussed in previous slides. Later we found that the problems existing our product are, and we search suitable alternatives for that. Finally, we choose the best alternative solution for metal spur gear wheel is ceramic and metal injection gears. Next, in this page shows reference we used to found details for metal spur gear wheels and related details for that. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.